Hello, Alma here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on painting a witch, and this piece specifically is being made for my patrons for the month of September. This piece took me about 2 hours on and off as I was doing a lot of heavy layer washes, and that usually takes a bit to be able to dry. But overall, it's a very simple and quick painting, and I think she turned out really cute. And on a whim, I decided to film her. Unfortunately, I filmed it in portrait mode instead of the landscape for YouTube. So this is what we're working with today. Overall though, I felt like it would be a waste to not post this video, and hopefully this doesn't bother you guys too much, but going forward I'll definitely be filming in the proper format. If you are interested in receiving a mini print or stickers of this piece for the month of September, it is available still on my Patreon until October 1st. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the remaining video, and like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be seeing you guys soon. Bye bye.